guys, welcome back in the coding camp. In the previous lecture we will learn about image view, how to implement and create an image view. Now in this lecture we will learn about functions. What is functions? How we implement a toast message in the activity. So you can see when we will come in the activity, sometimes you can see in the applications, if you log in any application you will see a toast message that login successful or whatever. So we will make a toast message. How we will make a toast message? We will simply go in the Java file of activity2. Here we will write function. We will make a method function, and then we will create a method in the Java file. Here simply we write here toast dot make text main activity dot this, and then here is the message welcome in activity2. Activity2. And then we will write comma and then toast dot length short dot show. So what is the function of it? We will run our app and we will see what it will make changes in our app. You can see guys, our app running successfully. Now if we click on the login button, you can see here the toast message welcome to activity2. If we go back again and if again we click on the login button, you can see it here at the bottom, welcome in activity2. It's a toast message, how to make a function and show a toast message in the backend coding. Now we will go through our lecture and we will see some more things. Here you can see a button, but you never see a image button. We will simply remove it, and here we will write image button, and then match parent wrap content, and then text padding 10 dp, and then wait, it's 20 dp. Why it is not shown? Maybe because it is on the top. We will make a margin top 20 dp. So now if we will write it's a image button, so we will only put image here, any IC person. You can see the image is come, and we will close it. You can put any image, or you can make a custom button, and you can simply call the custom button here in your image button. So what we will do, simply we will run our app and we will see the changes will apply or not. Close the app first. What? There is an error, cannot find symbol button. Because we will remove a button from here, we will give its ID here, ID btn. Now you can see it will call the button and the error is gone. The error is not gone because we will write here button instead of image button. So we write here image button, then the error will gone. Now you can see guys, the error will gone. Now we will run our app. So now you can see guys, the image button works successfully because the image is shown here. If we click on here, we will go to the next activity and the toast message also shown. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, take care guys.